How to turn on subtitles in Fortnite. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we will be learning how to turn on subtitles in the Fortnite game. First of all, open Fortnite on your device and wait until you reach the main lobby screen. Once you're in the lobby screen, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top right corner and click on the gear icon at the top of the screen. Inside the gear tab, look for the speaker icon at the top left and tap on it. This will open the audio section where you need to scroll down and go to the subtitle option. Tap on options right next to subtitle and switch it on by tapping the arrow button. Once you have the subtitle turned on, you can now click on apply at the bottom right and save the changes. Now you have successfully enabled subtitles in Fortnite. Now you won't miss any important sound cues while playing. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.